Hi! In this video I would like to show you, of course, a next ICStation kit, a very small photo switch or light switch. Its number is 13091. Let's see what are in the bag. A small one-sided board with copper, I don't like it. Small relay, a bicolor LED, a transistor, a 555 but now without socket, and some resistor and capacitor. Let's see the connection diagram. We have 3 resistors, but luckily they are the same, but all of them 1 kilo ohms. One very small diode, I will insert it first. Photoresistor, I see potentiometer. I'm saying that is the sensitivity. Oh, it's very dangerous because if you short this potentiometer and if the light is on the photosensor, as I see on the schematic, it will get the full power on the photoresistor and maybe you can destroy it. So be careful. Always start with any trimmer if you don't know what is it doing in the middle position. This very tiny potentiometer is that trimmer pot. I set it about the middle. And what's the purpose of the other? It is a voltage divider. It is at only 2 kilo ohms. Okay, let's build the circuit. Okay, let's try it. The upper is the positive in this. Let's set dark. And in the dark it has green and the relay is in the opposite state. Let's check it with a ohmmeter. So now one and the 2 is shorted and it is green. If it is lighted, then 2 and 3 shorted. Okay, let's see it in real dark. I have a lot of lights here. Alexa, please turn off light on both sides.
Okay.
So now it is dark a little and the relay is switched on and green is okay And now I turn on the light and it becomes red. So it is working. Fine. Thank you, ICStation. Alexa, turn on the light on both sides.
Okay.
So it is working. I enjoy this circuit. So this is a very useful light switch. You can switch, for example, visit the outdoor light in the evening or indoor or in any other place, or you can switch something off when it is dark. It depends on your usage. You can buy it on ICStation on a good price. Let's check it. Now it's just on sale, $2.20. So it is not a big purchase, but it's much more useful. You can switch mains up to 3 amps, so it is more than 600 watts. And of course, you can lead the photoresistor through a longer wire to anywhere where it is important to sense the lightning conditions. If you buy it, don't forget the discount code in the description. You will get 15% if you apply this. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you think it is useful. And I will be very happy if you press the like button. Thank you for your watching. Have a nice day and goodbye.